So to define the length of the line, I will go to Smart Dimension and then click on the line and click in the number in this dimension, and then for example I can define 500 millimeters. So I have a line in 500 millimeters. Then I have a new function here in this program, so I can click for in this line and then control and click in this line. So I have another facility in this another function, so I can do in the two lines make for example equal. So I have 500 here and 500 here. For example, I can click in this point and the point of the origin in control, and then for example I can do coincident, so this point is in the same position in the origin. So I have many functions. For example I can draw another line like that, for example. So select and then click for this line and this line, make perpendicular. So as we can see here, we have line 1 and line 3, and we have for example horizontal or perpendicular or vertical. So we have many relation between this line. So this for I have in the same time, for example rectangle. I have many fashion to create a rectangle. So 2 point, midpoint, center point. So for example center point I can do like that. So I have a rectangle, so like that. So if I am okay, I can exit from here. So I have sketch here 1 and this rectangle, and then I can do the different modification in this rectangle. I think this video is more than 3 minutes, so it's not a problem. To the next video, and we will see geometry.